You start Windows, you start up Firefox. Maybe this would also happen under other operating systems. And it says, couldn't load xpcom dot. You're not aware of it because it doesn't have an extension, but it has the dot. It's a subsection in some file. That doesn't tell you exactly what's going on because any error message that you have to look up on the internet was a shitty error message. There's a file that's 102 megabytes in the Firefox directory called xul.dll. Immediately see if you have a copy of it. You may not. I ran a utility to clean my computer of any unnecessary files and told it to look for files that are literally garbage files. But that may not have done it. I ran a defrag utility, but there's 2 copies of the xul file, Zool, and they're both deleted, and they were the only things deleted apparently. What I did was I downloaded a brand new copy of Firefox. In this case, Firefox was Firefox Portable, and I did a quick compare of files because I used that particular version, and Zool was missing. If you're not aware of where that comes from, it's them, the people who wrote Firefox, making a joke about Ghostbusters. So anyway, it's usually caused this couldn't load xpcom dot nothing, locking files and preventing Firefox from replacing old files. No, it's not. That's not what happened. The reasons that this would happen are not given. You're just told to reinstall Firefox. Now, if you're not aware of this, I'm going to describe this on screen, or more accurately, I'm going to go ahead and, well, this is going to take a minute or two here. It's going to get dark here. Dark. Save. So, open file location. Okay. Now, under data on your Firefox portal, and also under the profiles and settings directories for Firefox, you'll find one called Profile Settings and Plugins. By me downloading exclusively an identical copy of the original Firefox portable, the directory under the Firefox subdirectory for a portable Firefox under data contains plugins, profile, and settings. When I dragged a copy of that over to a new version of it, it started up with as if nothing had happened. It was also about almost 80 megabytes smaller than the original version of Firefox 86. Doesn't matter which version that I was using before because it had some extra garbage or maybe some broken files. I don't care. It's currently working, and currently working is the best kind of working. It also copied over every single hack I did. The entire directory that I needed to copy was under the data folder, under portable versions. Now, I admit I didn't have a backup copy of this made because I didn't think I need to. It was so stable. Now, I've got my old copy, which actually does work, but the new copy is what I'm running now for being on the internet. So let's review. You looked up, why is this thing showing me that it can't find the xpcom dot nothing? There isn't any reason for it to give you that error message unless it's effed up heavily. And the way it effed up is it probably deleted 1 or maybe 2 copies of this 102 megabyte file xul.dll. And you have to get a copy of it that's compatible with the version you have, period. Now, I have my web browser always set up to never update and to never argue with me about that. It can be caused by files being locked. It can be caused by Firefox doing an update of that file or any other file and screwing it. But the fact is that the error message is so incomprehensibly, stupidly written, it's not your fault. It's the programmers of Firefox leaving you high and dry. But go look for the xul.dll file on your computer or in that directory and see if you can find it. You should be able to find a copy of it right next to the Firefox executable. And if you can't find it easy, sort by size. It's the biggest file in the directory, possibly. If you don't see it, you need a new copy. And you can download a copy of Portable Firefox, dump that on, and you might even be able to import all the data from your current copy that isn't working and grab your profile and drag it in there and just get the damn thing going. But check this file first. And the only safe way to do it is to download an installer that will let you have control over it. And only the portable versions of Firefox seem to do that. Try to find out what version of Firefox you're running as best you can and go from there. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with that.